Come along on an amazing adventure through Cascading National Park as we explore the stunning Gveleti waterfall. Our journey kicks off with a scenic drive from Stepantsminda to the cozy village of Gveleti, nestled near the Russian border. Along the way, soak in the jaw-dropping views of the rugged Rocky Mountains, especially beautiful in the morning. Once we arrive in Gveleti village, we'll head straight to the trailhead where the real magic begins. As we hike along the main path, prepare to be spellbound by the untouched beauty all around us. Our first stop, the charming Gveleti small waterfall, a picture-perfect spot to snap some unforgettable photos. Then we'll continue on to the awe-inspiring Gveleti Big Waterfall. Here we'll take a breather and enjoy a quick lunch surrounded by nature's tranquility. After soaking up all the beauty, we'll start our journey back to the village. As we make our way home to Stepantsminda, we'll reminisce about the incredible moments we've shared and the breathtaking sights we've seen along the way. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey, and until we meet again amidst the wonders of Georgia's wilderness.
Travel Door for the best moments of life.